bronze sword, and iron armor. Total cost is 2 gold coins and 15 silver coins. Thank you so much, Mrs. Witch. I bought it again! I'm the witch, I can't even use those things. I almost ran out of money because of it. What have I done? But I can't stop it, because that blacksmith is too cute. I have no idea why you need this gray sword, but thank you so much. In this case, I'm going to resist his cuteness. This will be the last time I come here, and I will not buy anything. Oh, Mrs. Witch! I'm so glad you came here. You can do it, Freya. Just close your eyes and don't look at him. Mrs. Witch, can you give me your hand for a second? Box and witch earrings? This is a special gift. I made it for you. Thank you for always supporting me. Why are you so cute? I'd like to buy this spear. Thank you so much.